Hello everyone. When a student or parent thinks about studying MBBS abroad, the biggest question is this: will I be able to clear the FMGE or next when I return to India? And this is where IHSM delivers like no other institution. At IHSM, we don't believe in just completing the syllabus. We believe in building mastery, subject by subject, concept by concept, so that every student doesn't just memorize, they understand, apply, and succeed. So, what about academics at IHSM? We believe in build for mastery, not just memory. So, our academic journey starts with the strongest foundation in basic sciences. From the very first year, Indian faculty members deliver every lecture. Students receive Prosium's visual e-learning platform, the animated e-learning material, including the animated videos, a very crisp, detailed lecture notes, high-yield revision content, and next-ready question bank. So every student has access to the recorded lectures, so they can revise anytime, anywhere, perfect for concept reinforcement. So we don't teach just to finish the topics. We teach to make sure every student learns to think like a doctor from day one of their med school. Now let me explain a dedicated academic structure which is core only at IHSM. So let me explain what is our academic plan semester-wise. So for the first and second semesters, we call it as first year of their med school at IHSM, we focus purely on basic sciences foundation course like anatomy, physiology, biochemistry, which are taught by an Indian faculty with daily lectures, guided self-study, and concept-based integration. And moving to the second year, we call it as third and fourth semester. So the core subjects in this year will be pathology, pharmacology, and microbiology, again delivered in a structured integrated model with tests, viva preparation, and concept mastery by Indian faculty itself. And finally, after they finish the basic sciences, after they finish 6 subjects in first and second year, now we come to the fifth semester, that is the mid journey of their med school, because the med school has totally 10 semesters. So what we do at the fifth semester? So fifth semester features the IHSM exit exam. So the IHSM exit exam covers all the 6 core subjects. So this single exam helps the students to identify their weaker areas or the subjects or the topics and clears any academic backlog in one go by passing this exit exam in the fifth semester. And not only this, and here is something very powerful what we give it to the students. If the student passes exit exam, even if they had any backlog in any of the previous subject, it is considered as cleared. So students will not be having any of the backlogs by the time they move to the clinicals in the 6th semester. Therefore, exit exam is going to help them to enter the clinicals with a clear mindset without any backlogs. But what about for the students who do not have any backlogs scoring high? So remember guys, for other students, so those who do not have any of the backlogs and scoring high in the exit exam brings scholarships, excellent certificates, awards by motivating these students to aim higher once they enter clinicals. So this kind of academic structure and the feedback mechanism, or we can say an academic loop, is absolutely rare in any of the foreign universities. Now the final print is about FMGE next training at IHSM. We believe that results you can measure as a student. So now let's talk about what is the real differentiator at IHSM. From 6th semester onwards, meaning after the exit exam, once the student enters the clinical subject, we start introducing clinical subjects with a national level guest faculty from India for the subjects like internal medicine, general surgery, obstetrics and gynecology, and pediatrics. These are not just random lectures, guys. These are FMG or the next centric clinical discussions with MCQ solving, case-based learning and integration with the next curriculum what you are going to appear in future. Then comes the real game changer. From the 9th semester onwards, once university classes finish by 1 p.m., we begin full-fledged FMG or National Exit Test classes every single day from 2 p.m. to 9:30 p.m. in the campus. Yes, more than 7 hours of high-yield, subject-wise training covering all the 19 subjects required for FMG or National Exit Test is our specialty, with the India's top subject matter experts flying in for dedicated blocks to train all our students at IHSM. And these classes are associated with regular exams, grand tests, test and discussions, and performance analysis. And we share all this with our faculty and also to all the parents of the students. So this is a fully integrated training system delivered inside the IHSM campus well before the student graduates. Therefore, we believe that every student graduating from IHSM are exam ready. So after doing all this academic planning, what does this result in? There is an exceptional FMG pass percentage. Let's be very honest here. The FMG is not an easy exam, but with a right training, preparation and giving confidence to our students, IHSM students are consistently clearing the FMG exam in the very first attempt. In the recent years, if you see the results, IHSM has achieved one of the highest FMG pass percentage among all the medical universities abroad, not just in Kyrgyzstan, but across the Central Asia. And this is not just a claim. Today, in every state of India, whether it is a government hospital in Rajasthan, a mission hospital in Kerala, a PG center in Tamil Nadu, or a government hospital in Punjab, you will find IHSM graduate proudly serving as doctors in our country, everywhere from Kashmir to Kanyakumari, in every state of India. In fact, many have gone to crack PG, DNB, and even international licensing exams like USMLE and PLAB because the solid academic platform IHSM gave them. So my final message to parents and students: if you are planning to study MBBS abroad, don't just choose a university for its buildings or photographs or promises. Choose a university that puts education first, the university that gives you Indian faculty, the university that provides FMGR next coaching before you graduate, and the university that has a clinical simulation lab and teaching hospital, and the university that offers Indian hostel, Indian food and Indian mentorship, and more than anything, the university that helps you to become a doctor confident to treat, cure and lead. And that's exactly what IHSM is. So join International Higher School of Medicine, where education is the foundation and your success is our mission. So your journey to becoming a doctor doesn't begin when you pass FMG. It begins right here in IHSM classroom, where we prepare you for success step by step, subject by subject. So welcome to International Higher School of Medicine, where your dream of becoming a doctor finds its right direction.